Hello.
Hello, Suresh.
Hi, Sandeep.
Yeah, how are you
Yes, fine,
after
fine.
after long break?
No, don't have a long weekend. Just yesterday we skipped the class. I'm
Sorry.
facing some internet technical issues, something like that.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem, no problem.
Just a second, I'm trying to open NetBeans.
Yeah, sure.
We're done with the to buffer, right?
Yeah.
Like how to send the data to buffer by using buffered output stream. Same way, in the same way, we have to pass from buffer. Suppose
Okay.
I just created an object for buffered input stream. And here also, check it out, here also we passed the file output stream object to the buffer output stream. Here also we have to pass the file input
Yeah.
stream object to the buffer input stream.
Input stream.
File.
So we can get the
Okay. And we have to give the parameter like where is the file. Suppose I am giving the file existence is.
so every time.
Hello.
Hello, Suresh.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Suresh, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Actually, whenever we use the file input stream, we have to give the existed file, right?
Yes. File output stream you can give a choice. If the file is not there also, thus JVM will automatically create it.
Okay.
And we have to pass this argument to the buffer input stream.
Yeah.
Then what we have to do? Just we have some input part with object of BIS. We have to get the data from this BIS. We have a like however we have done in the file input stream. We have to read the content.
Okay. Include.
Okay. And we have to compare with -1 by the end of the character. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. And here after comparing it is not equal to -1 means we have to proceed it. It is not equal means we have to print on the
Yeah.
screen. For this again if we cannot use the BIS, we have to use one parameter, that's why I tag in as some I like that. We have to throw cyber exception. That's it. And okay, after printing this, we are successfully loaded the content from buffer and we loaded into the some screen, some like output screen. Then just our task is finished. I hope we have to close this buffer output stream, sorry, buffer input stream. We already used file input stream also. We have to close this also. What are the things we have done? We have to close it.
Okay.
Let us check it out. Here, of course, we are using file input stream object help, but here I am not. See, here I am not comparing and I am not loading with the FIS.read. Here I am using always BIS.read only. I am not using FIS.read. Just we are taking the help of file input stream object reference and passing to buffer input stream only. Here we are getting the data from buffer only. And we take it out. What is that output? We got 73. What happened? Can you guess?
Yeah, character.
It gets converted. Hmm. We have only I in I in the text. India is there, right? Okay, I got there. Here I am getting only one character, right? I. Have you seen here? But in the file I have India entire file is there. How to print all the characters?
Yeah, total.
Yes. We have to do some modification in this logic. Just small modification. See, this logic is working and I am able to print only one character from the buffer. Here I want multiple characters. How many? Up to -1. What is the thing? What's the command I need to change? Check it out. Instead of if we have to take while, the process will be repeated.
So
If means only it will check for only one time. If use while characters up to -1. I got India. Fine.
okay.
Like this, we can manipulate the data from the buffer or from the file to the buffer or to the file. Majorly, we are dealing with the files and buffers only. Okay. Majorly, we are working with within the program or something like SOP, system.out.println, which works on the console. And we already knows the how to retrieve the data from the console also by using scanner class. You know, right?
Yeah. So we have to create an scanner object.
Yes, and we have to pass system in reference. Yes, scanner object dot next. Next. Okay, like that. Yes, like that we have to use it. Check out this file input, file output stream. Here I am doing file copying. Sometimes in interviews also there are more people are asking about file copying program. File copying is nothing but we have to use file input stream and file output stream. Both the things we have to use it in single program.
Okay.
Check out this program just a second. I will go to the next concept, serialization in iOS. Check out this files copying program.
Okay.
And yes, before going to the serialization, we have seen some file input stream, file output stream, right? To handle these file operations, we have file reader and file writer also. Check out this program once.
Mm,
Is my font is fine to you?
yeah,
Visible?
it's okay. Yeah, that's. Can you scroll down?
What I'm doing? Just
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
creating object for file writer, file fw dot write, something like this. I'm writing. I'm not converting into bytes. I'm
Oh,
directly putting my entire string
yeah.
into file. Like this, how many times you want, how much text you want to add it means you can add it.
So it means JVM can read the data from file, right? When
Yes.
instead of creating.
Here it is. We are not reading the data. Here we are writing the data.
Okay.
File writer. Here my text, my name is Sachin.
Okay.
This text will be copied to the abc.txt.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
If you want to read the file, we have one more parameter. Anyway, we have file input stream. We have one more concept like file reader.
Okay.
Here the concept is same. Again, we are copying into I and converting into character, same thing.
Okay.
In only you are getting difference in file writer, no need to convert into bytes. Directly push, you can push the statements,
Okay.
string form. No need to execute, right? Just you can also try it your own.
Yeah.
Let us think about it. Don't get confused about these terms. We have seen synchronization in threads. Yes or no?
Yeah, we know.
Synchronization in threads we have already seen. Now we have to use the serialization in IOs, input output statements. Lot of fellows after whenever we are facing the interviews in that time, there most of the fellows are changing these terms like synchronization in IOs, serialization in threads. Like that they will change the terms. Please be patient. Please be reminded that synchronization is a concept is related to the threads, and the serialization is a concept related to the IOs. And here I have here the one word statement. Synchronization is serialization is a mechanism of writing the state of an object into byte stream. See, check it out. We have one object. Suppose we have one class. Let us consider this is a class. Yes or no? This is also one class, simple class. Now I want to transfer, I want to manipulate this simple class means we just create an object and we will do the operations. Yes or no? For this kind of things, we have to perform a serialization. What the serialization means? We have to convert the entire object data into byte stream. We are converting to the byte code for the entire object stream, and we are generating, after generating this byte stream itself, we will do manipulations, network manipulations, particularly whenever we are doing the network transmission. Suppose we are in the cluster environment. Suppose 10 systems are there in my network. I want to transfer system 1 to system 9 or system 10. Like this, I want to transfer the data from one system to another system in the network. It is better to convert entire our class information into the object and object data to byte stream. Then only that network transmission will be happens in a secure way. That is what the advantage of the Java serialization also is mainly used to travel objects state on the network. Here check it out. Objects state. Here state is nothing but it's a kind of something like information related to the object. What is the object ID? What is the object class is there? Okay, what are the object properties? All the information we have in the state. And what is that? Can I execute this object or not? All the things will be happening. We can see in the object state. By getting this one word definition itself, we cannot get any understand about that. Check out the simple program. Let us think. I am writing one class program. Check it out. The class is class student int id string name. Okay. Student is the parameter, is the constructor. Here, whatever I am doing, if you want to change, if you want to convert my student class into byte stream or my student object into, I want to transfer the student object into it over the network, then we have to implement serializable. Then only my student class is able to write into the byte stream. Got it? Suppose as a normal class, it doesn't have the capability to write into the form of byte object. Okay, then that's why we have to maintain, we have to implement the serializable. Then as a normal class, we converted to the serializable class. As a serializable class, we can easily convert into object data into some byte stream. Got it? The first step, we have to convert a normal class into serializable.
Yeah.
And let us do the thing. Here I want to do the things means we have to implement serializable. It is in the package of java.io.serializable. Okay, and let us create some data to the student int id string name. Let us create in parameterized constructor. Here we have one more way to parameterize constructor. We can generate our own code. Here, check it out. Constructor. Have you got this, Sandeep?
Hello.
Hello. Have you find this how
Sorry.
I this code?
No, actually,
No, just if you want to create some constructor, what you are doing? Suppose this you want to write all these statements, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yes, no need to create it. Actually, you can create the constructors by in IDE. IDE help itself. Okay, just click on the insert code. Okay, after clicking, we have some options: constructor, setter, getters. You can create your own also. What are things you
Uh,
want?
Suresh, hello, Suresh.
Hello,
Hello,
hello. I'm getting your
hello,
voice.
Suresh.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, Ganesh. Actually, I cannot hear you.
Hello.
Hello, Suresh.
Hello.
Hello, Suresh.
Hello. Are you getting my voice? Hello.
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 Sandeep.
Hello. Hello, Suresh. Hello.
Hello. Are you able to see my screen?
Hello.
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 Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, now I can.
Sure.
Yeah, now I can. Are you getting my messages?
No, I didn't get it out. Actually, I am
Again,
unable to send the messages also. I am unable to find your name in chat box.
oh, I have been sending you messages.
No, I didn't get.
Oh,
I'm not getting
sorry.
any message.
Oh, there is. Oh, it's okay.
Okay. I will check it out. Don't worry. Now you are hearing, right? Suppose whenever you want to create the constructors in IDEs, we can insert directly the constructors
Okay.
like this. Just a single within seconds itself, I can do how many constructors you want. I can put out.
Okay.
That is what I want. So this is the normal student class. You got this student class. Now I want to transfer this student class
Yeah,
into over the network. That's why I made them. It is a serializable.
okay. Hello.
Okay. Then check it out. How to transfer the code into byte stream and how to check out that. You have to consider Java main class like serial x example, serializable example. Let us do implement create an object for this student class. Check it out. Here we have to pass the ID and name. Yes or no? For
Hmm?
this, I am passing some 501. The name I'm passing my name itself, Suresh. Like that, I just created an object. Now, how to convert this object data into some byte data? For this,
Suresh.
yes, yes, tell me. Hello.
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 Hello, Suresh.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, here we are not extending the
You are not extending student class, right?
so how it works actually.
See, here this student class is I am creating in within the package only. No need to create also. No need to write the direct. No need to extend it. If you decrease, what is the what happens with the extension means if I create extension means by creating this object also I can make you use it. I am not creating object for serial X. I am creating directly ST only. See,
That's what I'm asking. How can we create?
no, we can create it. See, we have two classes.
Mhm.
See, for creating a object, do we need any extension? Tell me.
Mm,
Suppose A has some method. Okay.
okay.
Now to call this ob dot sum, do we need any extension? B extends A. I need to write down. No need. I am creating A object and I
Okay.
am writing.
Yeah.
But whenever you want to write B and you want to access A's class property, you create object for B only,
Okay.
but you have to access A's class property. Then we have to
Yeah.
do extends.
Okay. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly.
Got it? Normally,
Yeah.
no need for extension.
Okay.
Okay, and here we have to take the help of object output string. Let us pass this object byte stream into, we have to convert this object data into byte stream, right? Next time of how to find out this is we are converting the file means I want to store into the file. I want to transfer entire object information into some file. In
Right.
the file I am copying means I am indirectly I am
Okay.
saying that I am converting to byte. Yes or no? For that purpose itself, again I am taking the help of file output string.
Mhm.
Have you got why I need file output string, all these things? We have to give the path. We just import it and throws the file not found exception. We have to convert this object data to file output string.
Byte.
Yes,
Okay.
and we have to now OOT is referred to the this file hello.txt. Now by using OOT, I want to write st object in hello.txt. Have you got this? By using object output stream object reference, I want to write my object, student object in hello.txt. Have you got the significance? What dot we have? Right.
Suresh?
Yes.
Hello, Suresh.
Yes.
Can you restart the session? I mean, actually, I'm not getting the screen movements properly. That are not synchronizing with your voice.
Okay. 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 I can relog in. Okay. Hello, admin. Hello, anyone from organizing team?
Hi, Suresh. Any problem? Any issues?
No, actually, I didn't make as some presenter. I cannot share the screen.
You
Just
want
wait.
me to call organization?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
I will call you.
Yeah, it's okay.
అది presenter ని చేయరా? Sandeep, now you are able to get it, right?
Yeah, now it's coming.
Check it out. Here I am one more time explaining things. Here OOT is a object output stream object which is already referring
Okay.
to the hello.txt. Now I want to make use of a OOT object reference to store my student class object into hello.txt.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Suresh.
By using OOT object reference,
Mm-hmm.
we have some method name is there. We have to write my student class object. We have a method called write to. Write object. Here the object is
Hello,
st.
Suresh.
Yes.
Suresh.
Hello.
Suresh, actually, you know what happening here? I'm not getting your screen properly. I'm getting your screen after your explanation.
Okay. But here I am getting all those things which happen. Let us try one more time. I will check it out.
It's okay.
Okay. You didn't get updated, right? Okay, okay, okay. So okay, I got it. It takes time, right? Little bit.
What?
Yeah, it is taking time, right, to store to getting all these things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, for
Yeah,
updating
right.
screen
It's taking
takes
time.
time. Yes, yes, yes. I am also
Yeah.
finding that. Just go on through all these things. We will take care about this. So that's all. We want to store this object means we have to find some object output output string object dot write object method we have to use. But within the bracket we have to pass student object. That's all. We have to close it. And think before closing the object output string. See, we have created one panel, right? For this, we have to maintain, we have to flush the entire object output stream buffer. Okay? OOT dot flush. After flush itself, I am able to close it. Check out the program whether it will directly store into the program or not. I am directly running. I am getting the message build successful. Let us check the program. What is this? Some I got just this student. That's all right.
Yeah.
And ID, name. Actually here itself I have some Suresh. However, we are able to see the Suresh. We have 501. All the things, all the information is there here.
Yeah.
But in the form of a byte stream we have it.
Okay.
Okay. We have in the form of byte stream itself. We have the code. If you want to retrieve also, we can perform. We can perform the deserialization. We done the now serialization of just create out. Just check it out. ST is a object data. Yes or no?
Yes.
We are directly generating this object data into files. File means it is a byte stream object.
Yeah, but
Byte data. ST is a object. I am directly loading my object into file. This is a mechanism of serialization.
okay.
Whenever we are getting the data from the file, like from byte to student means object, then we have to check out the deserialization.
Okay.
Have you got this serialization, deserialization?
Yeah, I
This
got
is
you.
very for it in the most probably in the network transmission or something, wherever you want to copy the entire object into some file.
Okay.
If you use file output stream means just you can give the content like names and IDs as manually you have to give it. You cannot transfer the entire object. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Check out file output stream. This is also to the file only, right? But here we are giving the text and we are converting into bytes manually. We are generating all these things. But
Okay.
here what we are doing, the entire object itself converting. Itself it will convert into the byte stream
Okay.
and storing into the files. Have you got that some neediness, some needful to the serialization? And check it out.
On which columns you want.
Can you tell me for the program for deserialization?
We need to select all those, right?
Can you guess what is the code I need to write out?
Here itself.
Yes.
OOT dot read object maybe from.
Okay.
OOT or OIT? OIS. Object output stream only I need to use it or object input stream?
No. Yeah, object input stream we have to use.
And what about file output stream or file input stream?
File input string only, yeah. We are reading, right? File input string. Then OOT dot read object of file or ST.
Oh, yes. OOT dot write, no, read only.
Okay,
Read object like that. We have to store it into the student object, student class.
Column name, right?
Oh, we have to store.
We have to copy it, all these things into st dot student only.
Okay.
Can I write the program?
Just make some changes. Okay, I'll get the clear idea.
See, you got this file input stream for object output stream, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So,
Here only I am doing the changes.
okay. Yeah.
Object input stream.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we have to pass the same FOS object. Same file text we have to convert it. And we didn't use the write object, we have to use.
OOT dot read object.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have to take it into student st.
Okay.
And we have to convert into student. Fine?
Mm-hmm.
Class not exceptions. Now from ST you can get the data.
Yes.
Suppose I want to print it.
Yes. Yes, if it is needed.
st dot id.
Okay. What am I need to do?
st dot name. Check out the program, try to execute. What's the output? 501 Suresh. Check out carefully how I am getting this 501 Suresh. Here have I given any path to the 501 Suresh? No, it is directly takes the object data from hello.txt. Actually, whenever we are trying to open this hello.txt, we are unable to open this data in the byte stream. But our JVM can easily handle this byte stream and convert to the object and converts into student, and finally I am getting my ID and my name. Have you got the deserialization?
ఓకే నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పారా నాకు దీనికి?
What, Sandeep?
Nothing, Suresh. Nothing. I'm just
Carefully, take time, no issues.
ఆహా.
so object input.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
Hello.
Yeah, Sandeep.
File input stream or file output stream object, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Is there any
Okay.
other way to
So
the output?
yeah, actually got it. So here our main intention is to convert all the class data into byte stream, right?
Yes. Previously, the serialization is
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
we
it's in a
started, and now we are doing
Yeah.
deserialization.
Yeah. So here
How
we
to
are doing that.
load the data or object information directly from file to my output stream.
So to make the data byte stream, we need a file.
Yes.
Ultimately, we need a file. So
Yes.
if
Not making, see, for not making
want
the
to read the
object into file, for storing the byte stream, I have used the file output file.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. To in the hello.
Yes.
Hello, Suresh.
Yes, and then
So with the help of file input stream, file input or file output, we are getting the data or we are giving the data as byte stream, right?
yes,
Okay. So we need a file input or file output, and then we have to pass that object to the object output or object input.
output stream.
Okay.
By
Yeah,
taking
object
object
input
output or
or
object input
output.
stream, we have write object or read object?
Um,
Oh no.
If you use read object, write object means directly you can copy the object reference. But if you want to use the read
okay,
object
moving.
means you have to convert, you have to copy it into some container. Suppose if you have string content means however you are writing string s equal to some content. However you are writing in the same way, it is we are getting some
Yeah,
student
yeah.
or data. That's
Okay.
why I'm copying
So
student
here
class.
we have, okay. So
Here
G of dot
we are
object is,
writing
oh
int
yeah,
I
got it.
equal to 10, right? Like this itself, student s equal to some student object information.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
Okay, from the file only
Uh,
it takes the data.
yeah.
This is what some serialization and deserialization in Java by using
Okay.
input output operations.
Okay.
And here itself I have some small terminology is there. Transient. Let us get the word.
Okay.
Suppose in the student, suppose one object is there. Let us think about student object. Okay, in the student object, let us think about like some 100 variables are there. Variables means some information only, right? Here, among all 100 variables, we have ID, password. Okay, we have
Okay.
all the information we have. ID, password, marks, all the information we have. But I want to transfer except password. Remaining 93, 99 variable data I want to transfer to among the network, or except 10 variables.
Okay.
Except 10 variable
Okay.
data itself, I want to make use of sending
Outside.
to the network.
Mm-hmm.
Sandeep, can you hold on a second? I got some emergency call.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Suresh.
Yes. If you want to make use of this type of category, this type of things means if you want to ignore 10 variable data means we have to use transient keyword for all the 10 variables. Then this transient data will never transfer into the network. What is the main use of this transfer? Transfer means if you use this keyword means
We can send a limited data
no.
only as per
If you
our request.
what are the keywords have this keyword, these data will not transfer into the network. Not converted, basically converted into byte stream and transferred among the network. See, suppose if I am using some public Wi-Fi or public network means, are you interested to share your documents, private documents?
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
See, in a network, in a company also, we have some, I want to share some documents means what are the necessary documents, only those documents I can put in my shared folder. Remaining
Yeah.
password folder, all those things I cannot put, I cannot do the into the share to all the new people, public people. Here also, suppose 100 variables are there, in among 100 we have a, except some 10 variables contains personal information of a student like contact number, passwords, email IDs, okay, gender information like this. Something sensitive information is holding by the 10 variables. If you want to avoid these variable data, these data among the sharing among network sharing, we have to use the keyword transient. Then the transient keyword data is never transferred to the network. Have you got the transient? Hello?
Hello, Suresh.
Have you got the transient keyword?
Hello, Suresh.
Yes, yes, Sandeep. Have you got it?
Yeah, I got it, Suresh. Can
Yes, yes, yes. Now I am getting. Let us do the thing. For this again we have to use the output string. Do one thing. Make this as deserialization itself.
Hello, Suresh.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, I am doing what I am doing means.
Are you doing anything on the screen?
No, I just right click on the screen. Yes, I got it. You didn't get updated,
Actually,
right?
can
Yes,
you please?
yes, yes, yes.
Can you please explain me how to get the code for a constructor? You already told me.
Yes, I will.
Just we have to right click and then
Yes, I will give you. I will give you. Don't worry. Right click, Alt Enter. We have to press it, or right click, Insert code. Let us do create one file here. Suppose here itself you want to create it means right click,
okay.
insert code, Alt insert. You can also press Alt insert.
Right click.
Insert code is there.
Okay.
In insert, if you click insert code, we have constructor, all these things.
Okay.
Okay.
If you click constructor means we can click. See, we don't have variables, directly we got the constructor. Below we have dserial x, like this we have.
Suresh, actually, I'm not getting that insert code also, even after I click on.
In your browser, in your system.
Yeah, exactly. In my actually, sorry, I'm working in Eclipse.
Okay, Eclipse means that is also there will be some directly right click.
Yeah, and there
Like
are like
we have some Eclipse means a little bit easy but compared with advanced. Just a second, I do have the Eclipse.
Oh no, yeah. Yeah, I can do it.
Suresh, just tell me what's the difference between Eclipse and Admin5DB?
Both are same, yeah. Both are IDEs from
Yeah, both
different
are
two different
IDs.
vendors.
Okay, different vendors. That's it. Any,
That's it.
I mean, any further?
See, one
Okay,
more advancement is there. Eclipse means we have the suppose whenever we're working with the projects, real-time projects, we have to add manually one servers or things. Suppose if you want to execute some projects means we need some servers. Okay.
okay.
For the like Tomcat, like have you heard this Tomcat?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, when I'm doing a servlet program, I could not able to get the server option in my Eclipse. I thought of
Yeah.
asking you. I forgot it actually.
Yes. For this, we have to add a Tomcat or any server to my Eclipse browser, Eclipse IDE. But NetBeans means it is already configured with the server, that is the Glassfish.
Okay.
No need to
Glassfish.
no need to import additional servers to my IDE. That's why I am always preferring NetBeans.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So in NetBeans we can directly do the any project
Servlet
like
and JSP
Tom
portal. Yes.
Servlet or
Yes.
directly do that, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, actually I could not able to integrate with Tomcat server which I have already downloaded with
Yeah.
Okay.
Eclipse.
Can you
See,
can
we
you
have some server classes there. Then I will tell you how to configure server to Eclipse. Till now,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can do
sure.
work with the NetBeans itself.
Okay.
Okay. Let us do how to create the things, how to create a constructor with the Eclipse. Right click. Source is there, right?
Yeah, I just click on the source. Okay, and
Generate constructors using fields.
generate constructor using fields. Okay.
Click on
Oh,
that.
yeah, select all. And okay, yeah, got it.
You got it right?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Like this.
okay? అవును. Are you working on Trillium now? Okay.
I done do small changes in deserialization. I got a different folder,
Okay.
different file name dserial.ex, like that I have saved that. Now again I move into the serialization example.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
That is for Trillium. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Uh,
Check it out. Again I open the serialization example.
I just yeah.
As the serialization we have to create an object. And we didn't use the read
Yeah,
object.
master, by tomorrow. Yes, can you-
No, my system is there itself, it is taking time to react. Not the browser internet. It is my system is something little bit slow. I am changing the data 505 and the name is India. Are you able to see my changes? I am closing the file. Again I am executing serialization example with 505 India. Okay, and if you want to get back the result whether 505 India will store or not, can I execute the deserialization program? 505 India. Sandeep, are you able to see the screen?
Suresh?
Yes, Sandeep, are you able to see the output?
Can
The
you
voice message. Yeah, yeah.
when I create file output stream in my Eclipse, it's showing error like default constructor cannot handle exception type. So file not found exception thrown by implicit super constructor. Must
Yes,
define
you have to use the throws file output, some file not found
yeah,
exception.
yeah. When I click on the error button, it's not showing any suggestions actually.
Okay, you only write it manually throws file not found exception.
Okay. Throws.
Sandeep,
Yeah, Suresh.
can you check out once here? I will give you the help how to execute in Eclipse later.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes, here I have find what I am doing now. In the serialization, I changed the values 505 and India.
Okay.
Okay, and I execute this. Okay, if you want to test it, the 505 and India is so stored or not, how I can check it out? If I execute this deserialization example, can I find that?
Yeah, we can find with the deserialization. Yeah.
505 India. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes. And in serialization itself, I am using in the student class, I don't want to transfer my name. I want to transfer only ID. I want to protect my name. That's why we use transient keyword. Got it? And then again I am doing the serialization example execution. I execute serialization example. we got build successful. If you want to find this, means again I want to try execute the deserialization example. Have find the what is the output?
And at 4 null.
Null. Here what happened for the name? Here the name is not transferred.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We forget our name.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
You got the significance of transient, right?
Okay. The whatever we are doing the same with the same like object input stream or object output stream. So whatever the only change is if the variable as transient, whatever.
Yes, same we did. I didn't change any changes in serialization and
Yeah.
deserialization example. I changed, I put only transient
Yeah.
in
Got
student category. You got the significance of transient?
Okay. Got
Today we got the serialization, deserialization and transient. Important. The serialization means something like as a normal fellow doesn't understand this, doesn't get the concept of serialization. That's why I explained. In the real time, most commonly we are using this serialization. That's why you can get the questions on this concept.
Okay.
If you got the serialization, IOS means this is what the IOS. If you have any doubts in IOS, ask the queries.
Okay. Suresh, can you just open the any method? I mean, any output method where we have.
No, I didn't get it out. You want to open my deserialization example?
Yeah, deserialization or any serialization.
Okay, I've opened it. Check it
Okay.
out.
Yeah, the program, the class next to this. Actually, I'm getting some errors. Can't read.
Just twice.
First, to do the
Okay.
program of serialization. You cannot do directly
Yeah,
deserialization.
yeah, yeah. I'm doing serialization actually. So
Check out throws file not found exception, IO exception, class not found exception. Three exceptions we have to do it.
everything fine. What I'm doing so far. Oh, it's I'm not getting
Check out.
file output stream. Next. F. So actually, Suresh,
What happened?
okay.
Are you getting any
So
errors?
here just create the class in the class. Actually, here, just a second.
Okay, okay, take it.
Okay. uh, throws IO exception. Suresh, we can directly throw IO exception, right? Instead of making comma another exception.
Yeah, we have to put comma in between two exceptions.
Always start right. Right.
Yes.
What is the method to write? It's object OS dot write. We have to pass the object.
Okay.
Yes, write object. We cannot use only write object. We are writing object. That is what we are saying.
Write with object.
Hmm.
Do I need to make it so we have to make it as a string, I mean integer or something, right? Do I need to?
No, no need. Here I didn't mention anything there.
Just a second. Okay, write object. Sorry, I just put write only.
That's what I am saying. You have to clearly mention
Yeah.
write object. I am writing object.
Right. Yeah, got it. Yeah. So open.
We have to uh, write the rule.
Suresh, here I didn't find the file which I have created with the file output stream.
No, no issue. What is the path we have given?
I mean semicolon double slash I dot text
Email
txt
ID.
I dot txt. But
No, no. Check out that path
I
only.
didn't find the file over there.
No, it will be created. You can find out.
Yeah, just open. Path in red color. I got this in a blue color. D semicolon dot I dot text. That was in blue color in
No,
my Eclipse.
no, how you specified this thing? Have you put double quotes?
Yeah, I put that.
No. What is the path you have given? Can you tell me?
The same two dots. What we call semicolon and double slash.
It's not a semicolon. It's a colon only. D colon.
Yeah. D colon I double slash I dot
Okay.
txt. That's it.
Okay. You can check in the D drive.
Yeah, I checked on the screen and even refresh my.
Have you done the execution of the program? Serialization. Execute it. After execution itself, you can able to see the hello.txt.
Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, already executed. Again.
Do Sandeep.
Yeah, I got it. I got it, Suresh. Thank you.
You got it
Suresh,
right. Or else I can give you the presenter access.
okay.
Show me your screen.
Last topic you have explained that
Transient.
something. Do the deserialization later.
Yes. And you can try this deserialization transient later.
I don't do it now.
Hello.
Yeah, Suresh.
Yes. Are you getting the things?
Yeah, I'm getting the things, but what I'm asking is program.
Actually, your voice is breaking, little bit breaking. I didn't get you.
So,
Not this way.
uh, organizers.
We don't have the chat box, right?
Yeah, we don't have the chat box. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Suresh.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, can you show me the transient declination of a variable? You just know you did it. Uh, yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. Oh my God.
Sandeep, can you see the screen once again? You can do the program.
Oh yeah.
This is what our syllabus, right? JTSC. You can check it out. You can find out. You can find all the syllabus, all the topics. Have you completed? Have any one of the topic is skipped or something like that? Okay.
Okay.
If is the case means you can remind me on tomorrow's class. If the any one of the
Yes.
concept is missed means
Sure.
I can explain this tomorrow. And one more thing, we have done up to synchronization,
Okay.
IOS, serialization, all those things we have completed up to this, right? And we have a
Okay.
concept of all these things like
Okay.
AWT, some GUI we have pending, collection and JDBC. Max, I will complete collection
Okay.
and this
Okay.
event, something like this GUI by this month of 17th in Indian timings. Like
Okay.
we have
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
in
Okay.
India, we have 13,
Four,
14,
5 days.
15, 17, 4 days. Within
Okay.
4 days, I will complete collections and this GUI. Okay.
Okay.
Majorly, this is what the core Java. I will explain this
Okay.
JDBC in advanced Java session itself. JDBC, Servlet, JSP. Okay.
Suresh.
Okay.
Okay.
And take time of after 17th up to 23rd,
Okay. For
22nd, 22nd.
okay.
The next class will be there on 23rd.
Okay.
You can in these 4 to 5 days you can complete all the programs of all the practicals.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. You have to be fine with the core Java.
Okay.
That's all. You have to be good. I
Yeah.
will give
Sure.
you practice materials and some problems and real-time use cases on 17th for your execution. All these things I will give you for new programs for new assignments. I will give you for all these 4 days. You
Okay.
can try all these assignments also.
Okay. Oh yeah. Sure.
Okay. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
And I will complete it with collections and GUI screens, this AWT event handling, all those things by this month of 17th. We have four hours as there. 4 days are there. Max I will try to complete. Let us see.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Okay, Suresh.
You got it right? And
Yeah, got it.
Hari is not joined today, right? Mm. Can I give introduction to collections, or by tomorrow I will give you? Your wish.
Yeah, you can give it to me right now. That's your wish.
No, I'm ready to give, but are you ready to take or not? That is the one.
Yeah, I'm ready to take the class. How long it takes?
Just 10 minutes itself. 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's okay.
Collections. See, Sandeep, till now we have used a lot of concepts in the core Java and one Java, whatever things you can do it. We have done all this lot more programs.
Mhm.
Let us think about what is actually the collection and what is the collections it is. Actually, let's
Okay.
go in the definition, technical definition. Collection is a collection, something like
So group.
collection of, it's a group of
Okay.
classes and interfaces. It is a collections, it is a framework. What I am calling framework means in these collections we have a group of classes and interfaces.
Okay.
Why we have to use these collections means to store multiple type of data. Till now we have a arrays concept to store similar data, similar type of data. Yes or no? To store only integers, we have to use integer array. To store only string value, we have to take string array. But to store the integer and string, do you have any mechanism?
Integer and string. No.
No, right? For that purpose itself, we have to use the collections. However,
Okay.
we have used the structures unions in C language.
Yeah.
In the same way, we have to use collections to store multiple type of objects. And here all my collections are dynamic.
Okay.
Memory allocation especially. What is meant by dynamic means, dynamic in memory allocation means, no need to create in your own as a static. Suppose you created some collection, suppose in array you have created. When without creating array size, can I create an array? No,
No.
we have to give the size, how many elements, how much memory we need to allocate, we have to give it in the earlier itself.
Yeah.
Okay, 100 I have given, I had declared an array like this, int a of new int of 100. This is what the size I gave that. Okay,
Mhm.
and after storing 50 elements, actually whenever I am inserting the elements, I declared as a size as 100. But I stored only 50 elements. What about the remaining 50 elements space? It is wasted only,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that is.
See here,
Okay.
100 integers means how much memory it will be allocated? 400 bytes. Yes or no? Integer will take 4 bytes, right? In Java.
Yeah.
Yes, 400 bytes will be allocated by
Uh,
the JVM. Among the 400 bytes, the 200 bytes will be wasted. Why means I didn't allocate, I didn't use it. Hello? Have you got my statement?
Hello, Suresh.
Yes?
Hello.
Are you getting my voice? Hello?
Uh, Remaining session on tomorrow.
Yes, okay. No issue. I will take tomorrow. Try the transient keyword, all those things. We'll see by the remaining class by
Yeah,
tomorrow.
sure. Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Bye bye.
Bye.